it's Hannah, and today I'll be teaching you how to make 2 DIY stress balls. So let's get started. So the first stress ball is this Rainballoon stress ball. So there are Rainballoon bands inside this balloon, and it just feels cool, I guess. And that's pretty much all these stress balls do, but I think they're fun to play with, so yeah. Okay, so how you'll get the rubber bands inside the balloon is, well, first you'll stretch out the balloon, and I have a Monster Tail Rainballoon set, but you can do this on a regular Rainballoon balloon also. So you'll just stretch the balloon over 4 pegs. So the opening is going to go over 4 pegs, like this. So there should be an opening at the bottom. So now we will start to put the rubber bands inside of the balloon. So now I'm going to start putting my Rainballoon bands inside the balloon. And this part is messy. The rubber bands will get everywhere, but you'll just pick them up and then put them inside the balloon, and then that's it. And you kind of have to massage the rubber bands down the balloon so they can get to the very bottom of the balloon. And you just keep on going until the desired amount you want to put in your balloon. Okay, I'm almost done, and you can leave a little bit of air in your balloon if you want to, but you don't have to. You can make it tight. Okay, so I am done, and so I filled my balloon up about halfway. So now you just tie the balloon up, and that's it. Okay. Okay, so the next stress ball involves slime, and so your slime doesn't have to be like great slime. It can be slime you're just gonna throw away. Like, this isn't the best slime, it just breaks, but that's the kind of slime you can put in the balloon, so it won't really matter. So we'll start off the same by putting the balloon over these hooks, but you might want to stretch your balloon out first before you do this, because my balloon kept on breaking when I tried to put it on the Monster Tail. So just stretch it out and then put it on. Take a couple tries because it's hard to get the balloon over all 4 pegs, so just take your time on this and try not to break the balloon. Okay, so my balloon is pretty much open, so now we'll start putting the slime inside of the balloon. So just do it piece by piece, and your slime, it won't get stuck to your loom, or at least my slime doesn't. This slime isn't too sticky, so yeah. Okay, I have put as much slime as I want to, so I'm going to tie my balloon up. and that's it. So these stress balls are so much fun to play with, and I think they just take my mind off stuff. So yeah, and thanks so much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!